and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, wait, 8. Slow. Woman Zaida, 1, 2, 3. Now, because I turn my body, what I'm going to do on 4, guys, go back and in diagonal at the same time. So I go there. At the same time, I will have to remove my hand from here to here, so I can go a little bit far away from her. Why? Because if you do this close, okay, so I need to go like this with the leg and go to the other side. Now watch where my intention is to go on the other side of the Zaida and make a break. Okay, so for the girl it's very easy. Why? Because she's doing 1, 2, 3 and she walks forward. Normal. I'm just going and doing the whole complicated part. 1, 2, 3, I walk, I block. Block. Tension in this hand, the girl reacts. Now, we need the tension for the 6, this is 5, to turn and 6. So we block 5, connection here on the leg, be close, and 6. Push with the right hand, 7. This is not with the leg guiding. I'm pushing with the hand and my leg follows. 7. I close the hand on the 8, 8. And this is again Woman Zaida. 1, 2. I bring the girl to me and watch what I do with the leg. I do this. What I don't do is go with the leg there. Always make the break, the stop with the 5. And the leading is in the frame. So I make this break with the hand, not with the leg. Okay? And then I just push in the men's Zaida and